Hey there YouTube, we're back at it again. I believe it's the 4th day. Last time you saw us finally get the new head in, head gasket, all that. So tonight we're going to get the timing in order, install a VANOS, put the top in together, or finish off putting the top in together, flip the engine over. We're going to get the oil pickup installed, do the oil pump nut with a safety wire, oil pan baffle oil pan, I can't talk tonight, and that'll be it for this little engine refresh, along, you know, with the new gaskets and all. So thanks for joining us. Follow along, like, share, and subscribe. Here we go. All right, so far we've got the cams locked and timed. Top dead center. We've got the crankshaft, cylinder 1 top dead center. And so we've got the chain, the proper orientation. We're gonna go ahead and install our dummy tensioner here to take up the slack. Let's go ahead and do that. Install the lower chain guide. So now we're going to go ahead and torque the lower chain guide. Alright, this is the top chain tensioner. Hand tip tightener thing. Okay, so we've gotten to the point in the evening where we realized we need some RTV, and so we're going to run to Walmart.
Nothing but the best.
Yep. Okay, so we're back from Walmart. We've got our RTV, and came back with a little something extra.
Whoops.
Whoops. I'd be like, alright, well, I'm gonna cry a little bit, I'm gonna drive home, and I'll see you next week. Dude,
we done.
The top's done. Top. Pulling off those cam blocks just signifies that we have finished refreshing the top end. Alright, we did it. The top end is put together, and I think that's it for tonight. So we didn't get to the bottom end, but we did install a VANOS. We got the timing together, and we rotated the engine, and feeling pretty good about it. So thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Join us next time. We're going to rotate the thing over. We're going to install the baffle oil sump pan. We're going to do the new oil pickup and the oil pump nut. And yeah, so follow along. See you next time. Cool.
And I'm exhausted.
I'm fucking tired, dude.